Transform your Mailerlite profile from ordinary to unforgettable and truly represent your brand's unique flavor. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of customizing your Mailerlite account profile, turning it into a sweet extension of your brand's personality. First things first, let's give your profile a visual identity. Log into your Mailerlite account and navigate to Settings, then select Account. Here you'll find the Profile section. The most impactful element is your logo. Click on the Upload Logo button. Choose a high-resolution version of your brand's logo that's clear and easily recognizable. This is the cornerstone of your profile's visual identity. Next, let's talk color. Look for the brand color option. Click to open the color picker and input your brand's primary hex code, or select a shade that perfectly complements your logo. This small detail creates a cohesive look across your entire Mailerlite experience. While these are basic, ensure your company name and address are accurate and professionally presented. These details build trust and legitimacy with your subscribers. Now for the creative flair. While Mailerlite's direct profile customization options for images might be focused on the logo, think outside the box. Your email campaigns themselves are extensions of your profile. Use consistent, high-quality imagery and header banners in your emails that align with the aesthetic you're building. This consistent visual language, starting from your logo and colors, your account settings, and continuing through your email designs, creates a memorable experience. It reinforces your brand identity with every interaction. By carefully selecting your logo, brand colors, and maintaining a consistent aesthetic across your communications, you ensure your Mailerlite profile isn't just a setting, but a welcoming gateway that resonates with your audience, making a lasting, positive impression.